Jadbura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro koroni to wuok oko kendo sa sirikal ma pach kaendi kuom rem keto kenge ko makare mar neno ni wechegi ko mago mag nok mag mauta oko bedo e pachka magi biro e kinde ko ma moko kuom jodito e dul nogo mano mar EPRAC moting'o jagoro mano Joy Sang kaachiel kod director manindo mano mar EPRAC Kipto koroni ne ogwetao bang' kane osendhegi odiochieng' manyoro kotenore koda wechegi ko mag mibadhi ma okwako dulo nogo.
The people who are arrested has nothing to do with Kenyans, no more Kenyans. They have everything to do with doing a business that is a domain of the people higher than them in the pecking order of the executive. It has very little to do with the welfare of Kenyans. It has everything to do with watu wadogo wamekula chakula ya mzee. The same cabal dealing with G2G. And now they are exploiting the fuel resources in Turkana personally to benefit persons who wield power in Kenya. Unashamedly, they have brought a bill before Parliament now to make the same company benefit by giving them asset status. That their operations will now be at a special economic zone. They will not be going to be paying taxes. Kenyans are not going to accept any variations in fuel prices in the middle of April. Before the government talks about lowering the fuel levy by first abolishing the 7 shillings that was added in 2024. Secondly, before the government offers subsidies to Kenyans and Kenyan factories. And number 3, before we make fuel VAT exempt. This cannot wait. It must be done immediately. Because we must be seen and we must also proceed to do what is right for our economy and what is appropriate for us to do now. Kenya currently consumes around 400 million liters of petrol and diesel per month. And I heard the government people purporting there is 17 billion for all stabilization of prices. That is not enough, my friends. Instead of this bill they are bringing in Parliament to make one company assess to profit from Kenyan resources and benefiting the same people in power. The bill they should bring before the House immediately is that of making fuel in Kenya VAT exempt. And the Minister for Transport, they need to give a gazette notice immediately, waiving the 7 shillings in fuel levy that was added in 2024.